How to share someone's story to my Instagram story. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can share someone else's story on your own. First of all, you want to launch open the Instagram app. Now, if somebody has mentioned you on their story, then all you want to do is open up their story like this. Now, you're going to find the option that says add to your story. Go ahead and select that. Once you select that, you will see that the story now appears in this way. Here, you can make whatever changes you want. You can add some music, you can change the filter. If you tap on it once, you can also change the layout. You can make it full screen like this. Now tap on the your story option. In this way, you can easily share that person's story if they have specifically mentioned you in their story. Now they have not mentioned you in their story. For that, what you can do is simply tap it open. Let's say this is the story you want to share. Now what you want to do is simply take a screenshot of this story. Once you have taken a screenshot, you can simply add that screenshot in your story like this. Now you can also mention them and make some changes over here and then simply tap on the your story option. In this way, you can easily share someone else's story on your own. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.